The sun was shining brightly over the small village of Kingston, Jamaica, casting a warm glow over the brightly colored buildings and bustling streets. Sister Maclume, a middle-aged church sister with a kind face and a heart of gold, was walking down the street, her long, dark hair tied back in a neat bun. She was on her way to the local market, where she and her fellow sisters would be selling their famous homemade baked goods to raise funds for the church. As she walked, she passed by the village square, where Sister King and Sister Edwards were setting up a stall selling fresh produce from the church's community garden. Sister King, a tall and stately woman with a warm smile, greeted Sister Maclume with a hug. "Good morning, sister. We're almost ready to start selling." Sister Maclume smiled back and nodded. "Good morning, Sister King. I'll get the baked goods set up over there." She gestured to the nearby stall, where Sister Morris was arranging a tray of sweet pastries. Sister Quarry, a quiet and reserved sister with a passion for music, was sitting on a nearby bench, strumming a gentle melody on her guitar. Sister Parks, a young and vibrant sister with a flair for drama, was setting up a small stage nearby, where she would be performing later in the day. As the sisters worked, they chatted and laughed together, enjoying the warm sunshine and each other's company. Sister Juliet, a wise and compassionate sister with a deep understanding of the community, was busy handing out flyers for the church's upcoming events. Sister Charmaine, a petite but fiery sister with a quick wit, was arguing good-naturedly with Sister Brown over who was the best cook in the group. "I'm telling you, Sister Brown, my jerk chicken is the best thing you've ever tasted." Sister Brown shot back with a grin. "Oh, no, no, no. My curry goat is where it's at." Just then, Sister Young walked into view, carrying a large basket of fresh fruit. "Good morning, sisters," she called out. "I brought some extra fruit to sell." Sister Mary, a gentle and soft-spoken sister with a love of nature, smiled at Sister Young. "Thank you so much, Sister Young. We'll make sure to sell it all." As the day went on, the market grew busier and busier, with people from all over the village coming to buy the sisters' delicious baked goods and fresh produce. Sister Powell, a wise and kind sister with a talent for leadership, helped to keep everything running smoothly, making sure that everyone had what they needed. Meanwhile, Sister Macine was busy selling her famous coconut cake, while Sister Mother B was chatting with the customers about her beautiful hand-woven baskets. And finally, Sister Rose, a sweet and gentle soul with a love of flowers, was arranging a stunning display of fresh-cut flowers for sale. As the day drew to a close, the sisters packed up their stalls and said their goodbyes to the customers. As they walked back to the church together, arm in arm, they smiled at each other, tired but happy after a busy and successful day.